Finally going back together with this thing. This is the air cleaner we got. It's a Amazon something or other, air cold. Okay, so I just went and looked it up. It's made by Figure Machine, which I think is out of business, or some whatever it is, I don't know. But it's a lot smaller than it looked in the picture. Truth is, to get this replacement filter, which is really all I needed was a replacement filter for the stock backing plate, just to get a high flow filter for this thing was like $56 or $59 or something like that. Got this thing because air cleaner backing plate and this cover was bent up pretty good, the dome cover. So I just got this one to put back on there. And it was like $32 or something like that. It looks nice. Don't know where it's made. Everything's out of the box there. Now, I would highly suggest that when you're doing this stuff, don't take for granted that all these bolts are tight. Use blue Loctite on them. I guess you could use purple, but blue is a better choice. And when you put the standoffs in here, use some pipe dope on there. Works better than just about anything else. Keeps them tight, seals them up good. Found a gasket for it. It was a little hard. Now these filters are going to be washable. You don't really need to put we do 8 foot-pounds on these is good enough, which is about that much right there. And you're going to want to check these every once in a while just to make sure shit ain't going to fly off going down the road. Figure Machine, USA. Got a little plexiglass cover out there, so when it backfires, it'll melt. When you're doing this, be sure your O-ring, slip ring for the carb there. Probably want to replace it. I had to replace this one because it was torn in two. I think that's it for this one. It was Air Cool or Air Cult or something like that from Amazon. It's small, but it'll do the trick for me. It's actually not even my bike, it's my son's bike. I like a lot bigger filter than that, but you know, he's just first street bike really, or second street bike. First Harley, so that's good enough for him. All right, thank you. That's enough for now. If you like my content, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that jazz.